All right, I want to show you something about your social media account. So you want to be sure to follow your insights. See here on the top right, I have a little sandwich. So I'm going to click on that sandwich and it's going to see insights. And this is important information so you can see how your followers are interacting with your content. Now, if you don't see this insight tab over here, just under the name, you want to go to the bottom into settings and then look if you have a business account. You can switch to a business or a personal account here. So if you don't have a business account, you won't see your insights. So go under the sandwich and under insights, you'll have all the information about the activity on your page. Then you can see the content and you can see what content people are interacting with the most. So if I look in the last year and I sort the content by engagement, I can see that people like videos. They also like photos of us smiling. And that's something to keep in mind because when we're going to do more post, we want to make sure probably that we have photos of people smiling and our clients, and our content is just going to be seen by more people and people are going to engage with it the most. Also, little quotes, we're doing great too. So you can click here and you can see filter by calls, comments, engagement, and so on. So you can really get a feel for what's happening with your content, what people are liking. And this is going to show you how people interact, and then you can recreate best content so you have more opportunities for your content to be seen. Now, looking at your audience is really interesting because you can see the age range and you can see if it's mostly men or women. In this case, we're pretty half-half kind of thing, but on some of our clients' accounts, like there's really more women or more men following, so we want to create content that's going to be attractive to that kind of audience. Also, people always ask us when's the best time to post. Well, you can look here with the followers. If I click on Monday, I can see here that people view the content in the hours pretty much all the same during the day, a little bit more at 3 p.m. Is it because people have a break at 3, they go have a coffee and a piece of chocolate and they check their Instagram? Maybe, but it's pretty regular across days and times. If we wanted to be really strategic about that, we can say, okay, well, let's schedule or post or try to post around 3 or 6 p.m. So you can have a look at that, 9 a.m. So for us, it's pretty regular what people are doing. And then you can see here that pretty much every day is the same with a little bump on the Wednesday. So maybe we should focus on really important content on the Wednesday around 3 p.m., for example. So this is how you use your insights to be a little bit more of a ninja on your Instagram account. Hope this helps.